Among all the other things, Singapore is also well known for its food culture. You can find every single cuisine here in low-end and high-end restaurants. However, most of these cuisines are not vegan or vegetarian friendly, and we find hard time to get good food in Singapore. Last time I brought you 5 pure vegetarian Indian restaurants. Thank you so much for giving your support to that video. This time I am exploring 3 international vegan cuisines. So let's go and explore these restaurants together. And then you can see on the sides they also serve yutea, which you can dip it here or you can just have it. It's some herbal soup. Very different taste. the video. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification for future updates. I'll see you soon with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye. Happy cooking.